Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a voiceover to a video in Microsoft Clipchamp. So to get started, quickly open the video project you're interested in adding a voiceover to. And once it's done loading, we're going to go ahead and move over to the Record and Create tab. You can find it here on the left-hand side of your screen, just right below the My Media button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and it should show us a few options. And the one we're interested in is in the audio. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And if it's your first time launching this, it should ask you for permission to use your microphone. And that's also your opportunity to make sure that your microphone settings are correct and you have the correct microphone selected. Once that's done and you're ready, you can go ahead and click on Start Recording. So here you're going to be able to see a few buttons. You have your pause button if you need to take a break or fix something real quick. And you have the stop and review button. You also have your script here if you'd like to type something. So let's say testing. There, you can have a script on your screen as you record. That way you don't have to go off memory or whatever. So once you're done recording, simply go ahead and click on the stop button and it should load pretty quickly. So here you're going to be able to listen to it by clicking on the play button. And if you aren't satisfied with the result, you can always click on retake recording. So let's go ahead and listen to the result we've just recorded. So here you're going to be able to see a few buttons. You have your pause button if you need to take a break or fix something. Sounds pretty good overall, and I'm very satisfied with the result. So now we can click on save and edit, and it should save into your project very neatly. So as you can see, it's already been added to the timeline as well. And you can go ahead and move it around wherever you need your voiceover to be. So it's really easy and really convenient to add voiceovers to your videos using Microsoft Clipchamp. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.